What is the address?
Aronpellontie 7, Kuusankoski, Kouvola.
Yeah. Eastern Finland. 4 persons of 395 grams. That's right. Probably from 1990, we'll see. Now today it's the 28th of August 2019. Yeah. 5 floors. Yeah, yes, built in 1990. I guessed it correctly. Yeah. How could I? H66631 66. Will be inspected in the next year, 2020. Turning 30 years old. In the next year. I like the smell of it.
Same here.
Help is coming.
Yeah, yeah, but that's the light for it.
Yeah.
Probably.
Which were that?
Yeah.
Is it a sensor signal? Usually it just sounds like alarm.
Yeah.
But there is no other emergency phone here.
Yeah.
So it's
I think that it just sends a signal.
Yeah.
And it probably uses the same.
Expected 5 minutes maintained by Kone.
Yeah. But I actually think they could have made it with wooden cap, maybe.
Yeah.
It would be nice.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
This is still very nice.
Yeah.
Or a rare red or something cap.
Yeah, like something, yeah, something more rare.
Yeah.
Or kind of red wood or something.
Yeah. It would be amazing.
Oh
Yeah.
yes, sure. Or just light birch or something.
Yeah.
On the wood. There are lots of different options. Or there were when they were built.
Yeah. This is the most common one.
Oh yeah, this is one of the most common colors.
Yeah. This was the same as or 10, it was the same as a metal cap.
That's
nowadays.
it.